Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to edit videos online free using Kapwing. If you do not want to download heavy software, Kapwing lets you edit video directly in your browser for free and it's perfect for the beginners and creators. So first you need to open any of the browser you prefer. In the top there's an address bar, type down kapwing.com and enter it. Over here you can start editing your new project here by selecting to this create new, or you can simply go to your previous drafts. As well as I'm going to select to this one of the previous draft. And once you're into this editing timeline, what you can do is you can simply trim and cut. You can go to this edges of this clip and you can trim it over here as well. You can simply cut by selecting to this white line and select to the split here as well. And you can add the audio on the left hand side. You can select or upload your own audio, or you can also browse through your Kapwing's audio here simply by clicking onto this, and it will automatically adds up over here as well. And you can add the text and subtitles. You can go to this text here and you can add the overlays, styles, samples and templates here as well. And you can simply go to this subtitles here and you can select to this auto subtitle if you want to, and it will automatically generate the subtitles for you. You can select the language here and select to this auto subtitle here as well, and you can adjust the video setting, and over here you can simply preview it as well before exporting the video, and you can click onto this export video, and that is it. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down and we will reach out to you very soon.